Let's talk a bit about naming of those Power servers that I just introduced. As for the naming, there are some changes from Power 8 to the newer Power 9 systems. Here's how to understand a server product name. First, the first element is a letter that represents the type of server. LC means Linux only server. H means SAP HANA optimized server. AC stands for Accelerated Computing Server, which focuses on AI workloads. S stands for Scale Out Server. That's the base letter when one of the above is not used. And then E is Enterprise Scale Up Server. Second, the first number is the Power version, 9 for Power 9, 8 for Power 8, and so on. Then we have the second number. The second number is the number of sockets in the server, 1 socket or 2 sockets usually. And finally, the last number is the height of the server in U. For example, 2U, 4U, and in the case of enterprise server, it is set to 0.